So next one, I am going to explain the third one here. Label the following angles and name the different ways. So you have to give the names for the angles. So A is like this. So you can give any names A, B, and this is C. Here BA and BC are the two arms and B is called vertex. So we can give the name as A, B, C or angle CBA. So we can observe this angle is in the shape of acute angle. So acute angle is less than 90. Okay. So less than 90 means we can read as acute angle. Okay. So here we have to write acute angle. Like this you have to write. Next observe the B1 here. Give any names for this. C, D, E. Like this you have to give. And next here DC and DE are two arms and here vertex is D. Here we can give the name for this as CDE or DE, angle EDC. We can give the names like this. And this angle is right angle. Here we can observe if angle is indicated like this means we can read as 90 degrees. So it is right angle. Like that you can observe the C1 also C and D you have to complete. C is actually we can observe that it is a obtuse angle and D is reflex angle. So you have to give the names for those angles. Okay. Next coming to the fourth one. Here in the fourth one look at the given figures and answer the following questions. How many rays are there in the figure 1? So what is the figure 1 here? Here 4 rays are there, 4 rays are started at O. So we have to write the how many rays are there. So how many rays are there? 4 rays. What are those? OD, OA, OB, OC and OD are the 4 rays are there in the given figure. Understood? Like that only have to write 4 rays. OA ray, OB, OC. When you are writing the ray, you can indicate like this OD. Like this you have to indicate. Understood? So next one is in the given figure, how many line segments are there in a given figure? B. So figure is given like this. Here arrows are not there means these are line segments. These are the end points. So here A, B, C and D. So AB is a line segment. Here how many line segments? AB, BC and CD. 3 line segments are there. So AB, BC and CD. These 3 are the line segments are there in the given figure. Now another figure also given, third one. C is write the concurrent lines and concurrent points in the given figure. So here what are the concurrent lines and concurrent points? So already we yesterday discussed about the concurrent lines means. So if 2 or more lines are passing through one point means those lines are called as concurrent lines and that intercepting point is called as concurrent point. So here we can observe here A and B. At A 3 lines are passing through A and 3 lines are passing through at B. So we have to write what are the lines, which lines are passing through A we have to write first. So from A R, next N and here L also passing through A. These 3 lines are concurrent at A. So at B also 3 lines are concurrent. So which lines are concurrent there? At B, M and here N, and here cross line is Q at B. Like this you have to write. These are the concurrent lines and this is the concurrent point. Understood? Like this you have to complete that one. Understood? Next one. So coming to the fifth one, identify the types of angles. So here some angles are given, you have to identify. Just you can observe that first one, A is right angle. So at that it is in L shape, no? So that it is right angle. And here A is in the shape of like this. So L shaped there. So it is called a right angle. And B here like this. So here it is less than 90. Less than 90 means it is acute angle. You can write there. Here right angle, it is acute. Like that you can write. And the third one also acute angle. So C is in the like this. C shape of the C is like this. Okay. So it is also acute angle. You can write there also. You can write in your book also. So here D is a straight line. D is a straight line. So here point is there. So if the two rays are in the same straight line means it is called a straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degrees. Straight angle. So next one is E. You can observe E also at the corner. Observe that here also right angle is there. So that it is a right angle, and F obtuse angle, and G straight angle. You can complete the Roman like that. Understood? So like this you have to complete the exercise 5.1. We have completed exercise 5.1. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about the pairs of lines, parallel lines, intercepting lines. Those concepts we will discuss in the next session. Okay, thank you.